Hello everyone. Today I am making a custom order of a 28-piece domino set. I've already mixed my 2-part resin together and added mica powder as well. These colors are deep pink and purple heart. These powders will be linked in the description box below along with everything else I will use in this video. I like to wait until my resin thickens a little so the colors won't mix together so much. Once they have cured for 24 hours, I remove the dominoes from the mold. Now, since I recorded this video, I have changed the way that I do this. I keep the dominoes in the mold and then I apply the permanent vinyl and then go back over with a clear coat of resin and then remove them from the mold, if that makes sense. Now here I am applying the name onto the back, and I repeat this step for the rest of the dominoes. Now, since I didn't have the thought of leaving them in the mold until after this set, I'm going in with my UV resin to seal the name on the back. I spread the UV resin around to make sure it's all covered, and then it goes under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And this is how it looks when it's all done. Now I do that to all 28 pieces, and then I flip them all over and dot the dominoes with an acrylic paint pen. I do go back once the ink is dry and wipe all the excess paint off with alcohol wipes. Or you can just use regular baby wipes. And this is how the dominoes turned out. The customer loved them, which I'm so glad about. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.